Hey, y'all want to see Ricky run? Ricky, your pole, I'm just kidding.
Did you get that on camera? Butthole.
What's going on? Challenging the Outdoors here. We're back with another great video just for you.
And what we're going to be doing today is some catfishing.
We've been trying to go catfishing for probably 5 or 6 times now, and it's been fail.
But today's different. You want to know why?
Because we're going to catch some fish.
Okay, we're going to be using mussels as bait. If you want to see how Mike baited his hook with the mussels, look up our rural fishing versus urban fishing to see how he did it.
Now there's a fatty piece in there. That's what you got to hook it into. Here we go. First cast of the day. And they're gonna drift down quite a ways first, like usual, because the water's 10,000 miles an hour. There he is. I got him. Woohoo! I got one. Yeah.
Go. Mike's got one. He's on a fish.
Fish on the line.
Fish on the line.
Hey, this is redemption, man. How many times have we tried? 5, 6? And look at this. We ain't here 10 minutes, and voila.
There.
Meowsers.
Meowser! Booyah!
Alright, that's one. Your turn, Ricky.
Oh, another one on the line. Another one. That's 2 right in a row.
God, he's skunking me right now.
I didn't even get my other one out yet.
No. Bro, check it out. This one looks bigger. Feels big?
I don't know. Really hard to tell because the current. Yeah, he probably is a little bit.
He's big?
Not big, but he's bigger.
Bigger than the last one. Ooh, let me turn on my light down here so you can get more of your beautiful face.
Here we go. Yeah,
Dude.
a little bit bigger.
Get a little bit bigger.
2 cats in a row.
2 cats? We're catching them now. What?
Yeah. I bet you guys wish you was fishing right now, don't you?
You bet so too. So my first, let's put the light on. First thing I caught all day was a mussel. I can't believe you can catch these things like that. This is crazy. I didn't.
What happens is when you're dragging your hook across the bottom, then they just snap closed right on your hook.
That's crazy. It took some of my bait. Dang. You know what's gonna happen to you now? I'm gonna use you.
Ooh, got a bite.
How you gonna get a bite already? I haven't got one bite. I'm only catching the Skittle bites over here. Yeah.
Ooh, got a bite on my leg.
Oh, I gotta remember to put that in there.
Oh, I got another one.
Mike, over here.
Dude, this one feels pretty good.
Yeah. Oh my God, let me look at
I didn't even know he was on there, man.
Wear my freaking arm out.
Holy crap, man. All right, let's. Yo. Ah, that one is pretty decent. Look, he's fat. Look, there he is. What? He's about what? A pound, 2 pounds?
Yeah, he might be a pound.
2 pounds?
Yeah. That's number 3 for me. Come on, Ricky, dude. You got the same bait, everything. You
God, dog. I don't know if you can see my face, but sadness.
Remember, I told you, we brought our cameraman. It's you.
God. Bro. Got another one on the line. Dang it.
And he's fighting pretty good too. They're all pretty decent size.
God. Look at that, homie.
Whoa, let me mention.
Yeah.
We're gonna be eating some kitty cat tonight. Happy, bro. Yeah, we got it. Yeah. Where you meet fish? I know it's great. We're dark. Ooh, there he is. Ooh, and that bird just crapped over there again.
Finally got one on the line.
Yeah. Dude, my arm's getting tired.
Oh. Ah, Mike and his stupid luck. Oh, that's a good size one.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah, let's look at that. Look at that one. Needs to probably put him in the light better. Yeah, he's huge. Look at that.
He's like a pound.
Yeah. He's fat. That one is definitely fat. Okay. You and your
Number 2 on my other pole.
God damn it.
Oh, look at that pole fit.
Yo, this one's
pretty good
bent.
size.
Yeah, this one's good.
So I'm currently holding the fish that I just caught while I'm recording Ricky getting his.
God.
Or mine, actually. I wish y'all could see better. The lighting is really bad out here.
We got this. Oh, we need
don't
jokes.
have a generator. We didn't want to bring the generator. Oh my
God, dang, he's decent. Oh, fuck.
Trying to swing him and hit me with it? Is it revenge or something?
Yeah, I guess so. Holy crap.
Man, these bugs are all in my mouth.
Got him. Alright. Yo, he's nice, yo.
Yeah. Alright, so you got him? Yeah, I'm gonna get this on the cooler. I gotta get the bait on there. You want me to get him? Here, I'll get him.
I got him.
My pole, I forgot. Wow. I didn't.
That one is huge. This one is huge.
It might be, but it about took my whole freaking pole out the back of the boat.
God.
I don't know if it's huge or not, or it's just a strong one. I don't really feel that huge now.
Oh, it don't feel big?
I mean, it's not huge.
Oh. God. But he's bending your pole, though.
Yeah, he's bending.
You can't see it in the light, guys.
Man, I wish it would slide out.
Oh, my God. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, let's.
I know y'all can at least hear this. I know y'all can hear it.
And it's a. Dude, damn. Look at that one.
He's spinning. All right, get your poles, Ricky. Watch your poles now. We're trying to get Ricky on a fish. I mean, technically, you wound into fish. So, I mean, that sort of counts, right?
I rounded it in, but I didn't hook them. They didn't bite my hook.
Yeah. Well, you wound them in. So, yeah, I mean, you caught 2. I wouldn't have got them otherwise because I was too busy winding in another fish. So.
Yeah. So I'm thinking that the reason why I ain't catching nothing is because I'm not hydrated enough. Let's see if this helps out.
That's probably it. Ricky.
Yeah, that's probably where it like I got hydrated myself. God, Mike, with another one while I'm trying to bait up. God, dog.
You just bait up. I got this. I'll reel in my fish. You do you.
I'm gonna bait up and I'll throw out, and then I'm gonna record your stupid fish because I'm over here baiting up and losing my stuff.
I think I tangled my lines.
Ah, that's a.
Yeah, I did. Oh, come on, man. Oh, my lines are tangled.
What we got? Show them what you got.
Oh, I hate tangled up lines in the dark.
Show the fish.
There he is, man.
Meow meow. Yo guys, we are slaying it today.
We?
Okay, he's slaying it today. Okay, Mike caught most of the fish tonight, but I did catch some last time. I'm gonna add that to the clips. But he caught them. Now I gotta cook them. Let's see what we're gonna do today. There's Mike. Mike, what you doing?
Getting this cooler out, man.
Get this cooler. What's inside the cooler?
You know it. All these fishes is.
Fishes is this. Let's get it done. Let's go.
One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so here's what we do. We're gonna pick the biggest catfish and we're gonna cook that catfish, and the rest of these catfish we're gonna donate them to somebody that needs them.
Okay, we found a donator. We're gonna donate it to David. We met David just now. He said he's willing to take our catfish off our hands.
Yep. So he's gonna take them home and he's gonna eat his share. We're gonna eat our one catfish tonight.
Yeah, we're gonna fillet and cook one catfish and cook it for you guys. For you! Booyah!
So we're gonna keep the tradition going. Ricky's gonna do the fish cleaning. He's really good at cleaning fish. We're gonna get this done real quick for you guys, and then we're gonna chow down.
Boom!
Meow! I thought a putty tat. I did.
He did saw a putty cat! Check that out.
Just got my new grill.
It's fired up, y'all. Fired up now.
This is a dual fuel Coleman propane or Coleman fuel or gasoline stove. So you can actually buy gasoline at the gas station and put it in here and use it in your stove.
And that's the results. I'm feeling a little like peckish, a little hungry. I think I want some catfish dish. And here it is. Whoa.
This we're gonna call the meow meow platter.
It's the meow mix.
So we got our avocado oil. This is the first time for us trying avocado oil.
Fancy.
This stuff, just tasting it, it tastes amazing.
Okay, we're about to hit it up with some seasonings. So what kind of seasonings we're gonna be using, Mike?
We're gonna use our favorite, the one that we use all the time on fish.
Oh, wait,
Everglades.
Everglades. Boom.
Yeah. Everybody up north, and those of y'all who haven't had Everglades,
You missing out.
order some. Hey,
Yeah.
maybe you'll get some fan mail if you're nice to us.
Yeah, or get some adobo. That's always working. That works for everything too. I just forgot the adobo this time. You keep it simple. Put some Everglades. Put some what?
Got a little bit of garlic powder. I was gonna go with garlic salt, but I went with garlic powder because the Everglades has a saltiness to it already. So let's not get too awful salty.
No salty.
Now, got them on there. We're just gonna move them around a little bit, get them all seasoned up real good. Ooh. One of them's got a little piece of skin on it still, but that's all right.
That's okay.
Now, drop it in our breadcrumbs. Look at that. Oh man, these things are, woo, they're looking good. All right, get some more in here. All right,
crap.
You ready for this?
Oh, I am ready.
I'm ready. This is already good and hot. In fact, I'm gonna actually turn it down now so we don't end up scorching the fish. Here we go.
Here we go.
Look at that. It's already frying.
Ooh. Well, that answers my question that the pan was hot enough. Mike.
I'm pretty sure that's the best smelling fish I've ever smelled cooking in that oil.
Yo, that smells
We're
really
gonna
good.
find out in a minute. That avocado oil might be the new trick.
That right there smells amazing. All right, I'm back with David, and he's gonna guess what kind of oil we're using. What kind of oil you think we got on this catfish?
Peanut oil.
Peanut oil? Wrong. We're using avocado oil.
First time trying.
Have you ever heard of avocado oil?
Yeah.
I have not. Have you used it before? Have you used avocado oil before? Because I haven't.
Yes, I have.
Oh, what you cook with avocado oil?
Well, you can cook a lot of things with it. It's just good. It just gives it a different
Flavor?
yeah.
That different flavor? Well, we're about to try it. We're gonna be trying this for the first time. You want to try a piece?
No, I'm good.
Does it smell good or bad? In your opinion, does that smell good or bad?
It smells good.
It's my.
Why you came back over here?
That's what you came back. That's what he really came back. He's like
Back over here.
Yeah.
Coming off the grill,
Moment of truth.
onto the plate. Probably gonna melt it a little bit because it's styrofoam.
There it goes. All right.
Yo.
Grab
All
your
right,
piece,
there you
David.
go. David, he's gonna be the first to go in. He said,
I'll try one at the same time.
all right, boom. All right.
A little bit hot.
He stuck that straight in his mouth.
Got iron.
How did it taste?
Taste buds.
Does it taste good?
Oh, horrible. I'm just lying.
David, is it horrible? What?
Oh, it's good.
It's
you got,
good?
You got a good seasoning on it.
All right.
Oh snap! Let's see what we got. All right, my turn. Whoa, that's hot. Hold on, I'm going.
You gotta blow it off a little bit.
I was making a wish.
When you was blowing that, little pieces were flying at me.
Right. David, we're gonna have to ask for that catfish back. Yo, that's good though. I enjoyed
It
it.
really is. It's got a good seasoning.
I don't even like catfish that much.
I know,
I'm not much on catfish, dude.
dude. I hate catfish, but the avocado oil did the trick.
It don't even taste catfishy.
No. This is probably the best catfish I've ever had.
But it's really hot.
Okay, we caught our fish, we cooked our fish, and then we
Ate our fish.
ate our fish. And let me tell you though, for real, no jokes aside,
That was some amazing tasting fish. I'm gonna invest in avocado oil now.
that was really good. That was a really good fish, man. From now on, if I'm frying fish, it's only with avocado oil. I'm not gonna use anything else, and I promise you that. That's for sure. But if you liked this video, you liked what you saw, you thought we were cute, don't forget to hit the subscribe button,
Hit that like button
follow us on all social media,
and never forget to
challenge the outdoors.